G'day everyone, it's Chris, and well, this is Ashley, and we're back doing stuff to his Model 3. What will we do today, Ash?
So today we're going to be replacing the boot struts and the front struts so that we can open them remotely.
Awesome, let's do this. What you're looking at here, folks, is the Evannex strut kit. Now, they do stress you need to check between the boot lift and the frame on both the driver and passenger side of the Model 3. They say it's got to be less than 4mm for the installation to proceed. But otherwise, this is honestly a very easy DIY job you can do yourself. First, release this clip, then get a larger screwdriver behind it, flathead, and simply pop it out. Repeat the process down below, and well, the other side. Be ready to catch the boot, and preferably have a friend help you, otherwise have your head ready, or put a piece of wood on the boot floor and support the boot using that. To install the struts, you simply just push them on to the noggins. Once it's all done, a quick little demonstration using both the Tesla app as well as this third-party app, which has shortcuts on Android screens.
Open the trunk.
So that was pretty quick and easy. What do you think, Ash?
Yeah, it was very easy to do. Definitely recommend using some towels on the glass just to prevent you from cracking it. And it also closes a bit harder now, so if your partner doesn't like that, just something to be wary of.
Yeah, for sure. And look, the video instructions we've found today to be very beneficial. So any instructional video you can find, like from Evannex, watch it from the beginning to the end so you know what to do. That way it goes a lot quicker and smoother for you.
We definitely would have saved a lot of time today if we had to watch the video first and then moved on.
Exactly. Anyway, so it's been good, and thanks for having me along, Ash.
No problem.
And look, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, subscribe. Otherwise, be good, be green.